Cybertron, our home. For generations, it has been a peaceful world, until pride and a lust for power divided us. Now we fight enemies who were once our brothers. Our tragic war has ravaged Cybertron.
It is a necessary war to return us to glory.
The Autobots will never sacrifice freedom.
The Decepticons will bring this world to order!
Our defeat would mean the end of everything.
My victory will mark a brilliant new beginning!
One shall stand.
One shall fall.
Civil war has ravaged Cybertron, homeworld to the Transformers for millions of years. Megatron, leader of the Decepticons, recently discovered an ancient power that will give him the edge to win over the hated Autobots. Called Dark Energon, this power remains locked away in an orbital station under the protection of a Sky Commander named Starscream.
Starscream wouldn't fight with such desperation if the legends weren't true!
Lord Megatron, you're certain it's here?
I am certain, Barricade. And when I find it, the balance of this war with the Autobots will finally tip in my favor! Lord Megatron! Stabilizers are failing! Maintain your heading, Brawl! Do not falter!
Sublight engines are offline. Shields at 15%.
Reroute all power to forward guns and thrusters. Full speed ahead!
But sir, that's suicide!
Any further objections? Ram this warship straight into the heart of that station!
To have survived that, Megatron.
The strong survive, the weak perish.
Lord Megatron, The ship's reactor core is failing. Explosion imminent.
Move, Decepticons! Double time!
The core's about to detonate!
Go, go, go!
It's falling apart! Watch out! Megatron, this way! Over here!
My station for over 1,000 years.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons. This space station is Decepticon property. Surrender immediately.
Whoever you are, you've traveled a long way just to meet your doom.
Do not speak unless spoken to.
It's Lord Megatron!
The honor is all yours. Armored
Take out those sentry guns! They're tearing us apart! Hate those sentry guns!
Storage area, Beta! Move! Move!
Oh, look! The welcome wagon! Those fools mean to catch us in an ambush at the next door.
Fat chance. We can use that crane to reach the crash tunnel and flank them.
Ambush their ambush. I like it. Transmit your coordinates, Soundwave, and I want everything ready upon my arrival.
Starscream, the ambush is set. They won't make it past us. I shall hold you to that, soldier. Yes, sir.
This is almost too easy.
It's overheated! Decepticons inbound! Weapon truly...
Alert! Hostiles inbound.
There they are! Crush them! Witness Megatron's fury!
Cybertron, we await your arrival.
Megatron! I thought you'd be scrap metal by now. Your survival intrigues me.
I shall not be denied, Starscream. Surrender your Dark Energon program to me immediately!
Dark Energon? Are you mad? Dark Energon brings only death and chaos.
I am counting on it. Megatron, when this is over, can I rip off Starscream's head and put it into space, please? Patience, Paul. Starscream knows this station inside and out. He may yet be of use to us.
Megatron, your command post is 83.4% complete.
I expect it done when I arrive, Southworld.
That's a pretty long drop.
Jump, you fool! There's nowhere to go but down!
But, Megatron, how do we get out?
The intruders are here! Calling reinforcements!
Decepticons, mount those turrets! We'll cut them down with their own weaponry! Fall before Megatron! Only fools stand against Megatron! Suitable weapons for one such as Megatron!
Not as good as me.
The fools gave us our exits. Onward, through that door! Ooh, a car! I'm so scared!
Let's go, Decepticon! Weapons incoming! Pull back! Pull back!
Area is secured, Megatron.
Excellent.
Hail, Lord Megatron!
You want more?
It's an honor to serve you, Lord Megatron.
Who's next? Forget me!
Megatron, I have unlocked your lift controls. Your command center awaits at the top.
Glory of Megatron! Hey, knock it off!
My name is Jetfire. Not here to fight.
That makes one of us. Speak your piece, quickly.
I've seen the horrors of what Dark Energon can do, Megatron. It is not to be trifled with. Its power is too unstable. To use it would mean disaster.
You cannot frighten me, Jetfire. I will use Dark Energon as I please.
You are a short-sighted fool. You'll kill us all!
You say that as if it were a bad thing.
I hope this Dark Energon stuff is worth it, Megatron.
Soundwave, report.
We have taken control of this portion of the station and established our base of operations. Scans indicate that Starscream has locked down all logical routes to the Dark Energon reactor.
And we're fresh out of Star Cruisers to tunnel our way.
Quiet. There must be another access point. We have to reach the station's next pod.
Megatron, I have located a nearby data matrix center to reveal any alternate means of entry to the next pod. Advanced teams have already been set to clear your path.
Then we have no time to waste.
I think I'm going offline.
These soldiers look pretty banged up.
Unacceptable. They should be victorious or dead.
They're putting up a good fight, all right.
Then put up a better fight.
Megatron, be aware that you face overwhelming odds against Starscream's soldiers. It is statistically unlikely that your advanced teams can defeat all of them. I shall await your word that you have reached the data matrix center.
Are
outdated.
This entire station was created over 10,000 years ago. Much of its technology is antiquated and inefficient. I look forward to updating it. Soundwave, we've located the holomap. I'm sending the data to you now.
Megatron, you may have gotten this far, but you'll never get your hands on the Dark Energon.
Starscream, this acrimony is needless. I know who you once were, Sky Commander, and that you were betrayed. With Dark Energon, I shall return Cybertron to its former glory, and you to yours, if you agree to serve me.
You're a fool! No one can control Dark Energon!
Watch out! Decepticons!
Decepticons cannot be stopped! Real Decepticons roll on trains!
Initiating weapon cooling!
Why don't you? And that is why Megatron shall lead!
Megatron, there's a route to the manufacturing plant nearby that Starscream has not yet blocked. Transmitting coordinates.
Excellent! Decepticons, lock this room down and await our return.
So, what exactly did they manufacture here?
Transport devices for Dark Energon. The ancients constructed special pods they could launch to any parts of Cybertron.
Megatron, according to my scans, the manufacturing plant is directly below your floor.
There's no exhaust coming from that vent! We can blast through to make an entrance!
Aren't you concerned at all driving into the belly of a furnace?
Aren't you concerned that I might tire of your pointless chatter? Those fans will split you in two. I can't use you if you're dead. See you at the bottom!
Starscream is alerted to your presence in the production facility. Expect resistance.
Another instrument of my wrath.
Is pretty active to be thousands of years old.
Soundwave reactivated it upon my orders. I have very special plans for this facility. What? Snipers on the bridge, Megatron! Crush them! All shall fall before Megatron! Shoot! I'm almost impressed! Just a short delay here while I recharge! Decepticons cannot be stopped! Once I have enough Dark Energon online, I will use these canisters to transport it to Cybertron. The Autobot surprise will be total. I tire of these futile attempts to resist me. Dark Energon will be mine.
What makes you think you can control the Dark Energon when no one else has ever been able to?
Only the strong are worthy of such a weapon, Barricade. I am the strongest. And do not question me again! Cybertron.
Flyers inbound! Let's go! The sky!
Grenade out!
Evasive action!
While I recharge!
Where do we go now, Megatron?
The damage looks old. It's been this way for a good while. But no weapon I know of could have done this. I don't care what did it. Find a way across!
The hover map indicates no damage to this area.
Yes, this is unexpected. The entire area lies in shambles. A brilliant addition to my efforts. Coming in! We got another one! Just need to give this baby a second or two. Sweet. Just point and shoot it down the gun.
Hostile overhead!
Decepticons cannot be stopped!
Ready to fire again momentarily!
Pretty skillful shoot there, pal. For glory!
Got it and run it!
Didn't even give him time.
Most front knees kicking. Hold on, Redbird. I'll be right back.
Megatron, I have downloaded the station's log, transmitting history.
Fascinating. According to this, a quantity of dark energon became unstable, and the resulting explosion destroyed this part of the station. Dark energon did all of this? Those fools had no idea how to control it. I'll not make the same mistake. I'm almost depressed. Should have stayed out of my sight! Over there! Fire! They're sending in the flyers! Reroute the tower! Well, that's just making me mad!
Weapon tip normal! Decepticons inbound!
Use some ammunition! Weak! There's point shooting down the gullet! Now they're dropping out of the sky! I'll be back online in just a second. Engaging now! Ready to run! Now their attempts to harm me are even more laughable! Let's go! We got another one! The floor is splitting apart! Quickly, jump to the other side!
Impossible! No one has ever survived to reach this place!
You shall soon learn, Starscream. I decide what is possible and what isn't.
Guards! Hold him off while I destroy the last of the Dark Energon remnants!
Pathetic! All shall fall before Megatron!
I have initiated the destruction sequence! Ready for doing. No one has ever survived direct contact! What? This isn't possible! No one can control Dark Energon! It dominates and destroys everything it touches!
I am the Dominator! I am the Destroyer! I am Megatron! Decepticons, receive your birthright! I can feel the power! It's amazing! Now, I shall deal with Starscream!
At least you can shoot straight.
Dark Energon is mine to command. Through my will alone shall Cybertron be restored.
It's too unstable, Megatron. Using that power, you're endangering our entire world.
Teach me, Megatron. Teach me to wield Dark Energon the way you do, and I will serve you.
And what could you possibly offer me that I cannot simply take?
The supply of Dark Energon aboard this station is nearly exhausted. I know how to manufacture more. There was once an Energon bridge that fed this station directly. I know how to reconnect it.
Traitor! Zeta Prime will hear about this!
Shall I send Thundercracker and Skywarp to retrieve him? Lord Megatron?
No. I want the Autobots' leader to know his doom approaches. Once we have this station online, nothing can stop me. Now go. Find this Energon bridge and reactivate it for your new master.